Hi, I'm Sam Moore with HBS Racks, and I'm going to show you how to put together a freestanding skateboard rack today. For tools, all you need is a screwdriver and a socket wrench. The socket wrench has to have a 14mm socket on it. The assembly hardware includes 4 large 5-inch lag bolts and 8 washers, as well as 2 small set screws. First of all, you take the base of the rack, a base side piece and a base front piece that they go together like so, and the lag bolts go through these holes right here. Be sure that A lines up with A and B lines up with B. You can see that's A and that's B, so I got to switch these, but the little notch is over here, so we switch that there. Same thing with this side. Voila, all the notches are lined up. Take one lag bolt, slide it through the hole. You want to screw it into the bottom. Screw the base into the bottom of the leg and put a washer in between the leg and the base, like so. Then you take the other base leg, same as this one, but this one is labeled A and A, and you put those together so that the little notches are lined up. Take another lag bolt, put a washer in between. I'm holding this upright so you can see what I'm doing. It may actually be easier to lay it on the ground or have somebody help you hold it so it's not all wobbling. And now you take the top of the rack, place the top there, take your lag bolts with 2 washers. One washer goes in between, through the top on the rack. If it starts to bind and gets really hard to turn, you back it out and make sure it's going in straight, because I was just screwing this in a little bit crooked. If I had kept going, this wood would have split wide open. Once you get it all together, you may want to go back around and tighten up any screws that are still a little bit loose. And finally, take this little piece of wood here, and your little set screws, and screw the set screws in, fastening that final support bracket. Now this leans up against a wall in your home or surf shop. Pretend that's a wall. And if it tends to lean forward a little bit, you can make some shims. Put the shims under here, like so. And voila, you have yourself a freestanding skateboard rack.